324 or 324?
It's 324. Or no, 324. 34.
72 copy.
34. Okay.
If he does, you go that.
Where my manager's going. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
He's halfway down the hall.
He's halfway down the hallway.
On this side, he's behind, on the other side of that cart.
And it's around 347.
He's in the room?
Yeah.
Okay.
We opened the door and he was sitting in the back.
Let's go in.
Go on this. We don't
We'll stay on this side until, like they said.
Can we lock the...
No, we don't want you guys to do it.
No, we can open.
That's to open the
You gotta
door.
open the door.
And did you lock the glass doors?
I didn't. My phone won't work for that.
Gotcha. I'm gonna go away.
347.
Hold on.
Is there anybody else in the room
Hold
that we
on.
know of?
That we know of. We don't know. Nobody's supposed to be in there.
Oh, okay.
What was the room number again? Police department! Negative, we get nothing. Police department, open the door! ¡Es la policía! ¡Abre la puerta!
QS Police, open the door!
¡Abre la puerta! ¡Es la policía!
QS Police, open the door!
¡QS de la policía!
QS Police! Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands!
Did I just talk to you on the phone?
Yes.
Go sit with Ritza. Ritza, she's in one of the offices because the investigating officer needs to talk to both of you. Please and thank you.
Little bottles.
Fire alarm going off repeatedly. They keep trying to reset it. We don't know if our suspect hit it or it just went off.
I'm already here.
Stop squirming, man.
You guys help me.
Stop resisting.
Dalton. Guys help me. Help me. Ow!
I'm afraid you're going to kick him in the face. Go to the ground. Go to the ground. Go to the ground. We'll get him.
Help me. All right. Ow! You break me down. You break me down.
resisting.
I only got one leg.
That's fine. Oh! Oh!
Stop tensing up.
There we go. Hobbles on.
Hobbles on.
Oh!
Hobble 17 to 14. Hobble pod.
Oh! Come on! Come on!
Where's Johnson?
I have no clue.
I would say talk to them.
Alright, we got it.
Did we get any?
He's a victim.
Yeah, she's a victim.
He's transferred.
Yeah, he walked in too, so we've got two. Did we get the?
You got pushed too?
We didn't get pushed out. We walked. She came and got us. Me and Mimi walked in, and we opened the door with my key. And as soon as we opened it, the guys in the back corner going, "Get out, get out!"
Did we find a weapon?
No. That was the remote, most likely.
Okay, we didn't see what it was. We just backed out.
I'm gonna go double check the room.
What?
They didn't find anything. They think it was a TV remote.
Yeah.
I'm gonna double check the room.
We three of us went through the room.
Flip the mattresses,
Yes.
the whole nine.
Three of us went through the room. I was in the
Okay.
room checking the room.
Okay.
Have at it if you want. You can check the fridge and everything else.
Now, sit your butt in the seat. There you go. Alright, are you injured? Yes. Where at? My leg. Get a rescue over here and check him out. How we doing, sir? I'm hurt, sir. Yeah, where are you hurt? Yes, come on. You saw we controlled him to the ground. I saw, yeah. He didn't get slammed or didn't hit his head or anything before. Nope. Nope, I supported his head and neck. Hey, brother, all I am is medical, okay? Okay. So what's going on? What hurts? My back, my legs. Yeah? Did that happen before this or what? No. Well, you're moving around. I was watching you. You're moving around pretty good. I think if anything was broken, you wouldn't be able to move like that. Come on, guys. Yeah. Hey, I'm going to ask you some real silly questions, okay? That's right. What year is it right now? 2024. Okay, what city are you in? What city are you in, Bubba? I'm in Key West. Okay. So it's just your back and your legs? Alright, who wants to secure this the proper way? I had to reattach it at the bottom. You ready? There you go. Got it. Will it reach? Yep, I got you. You guys hang out for a little bit. These magnets are off the report real quick. Okay. I can give you a report for them. They can get going. Okay. All right. Do you need any? You got his info? I'll have them text it to me. We don't know it yet. Yeah. Okay. They're gonna check you out when you get to the jail more, but it's not that.
Almost there too.
Huh?
En route to county now. If you can notify the jail, meet us downstairs.